Everyone, myself Sachit Gowda. I am going to show you how to input the sample superstore data and how to do exploratory data analysis. For this task, I have used Tableau as my tool. Task assigned by Sparks Foundation, GRIP November 20. Here we have input the data. The data consists of different fields like shipment mode, segment, country, city, state, postal code, region, category, subcategory, sales, quantity, discount and profit. Here we have compared sales versus quantity. Here I have calculated the maximum number of profit and minimum number of profit. The maximum number of profit is by New York City with 62,037 and maximum number of quantity 3,417. The minimum number of profit is by Philadelphia by negative of 13,838. Here we have compared sales versus category. In furniture category, chairs has highest profits of 26,590. In technology category, phones has highest profits of 44,516. In office supplies category, binders has highest profits of 30,222. And fasteners has least profit among all the three categories. Here we have compared profits and sales versus category. In furniture category, we have highest profit and sales as chairs with 26,590 and 3,28,449 respectively. In office supplies, we have highest profit and sales as paper and storage by 34,054 and 2,23,844. In technology category, we have copiers and phones with 55,618 and 3,30,007. Here we have compared discount versus profit. This is the graph I have plotted. In this office supplies category, binders has highest discount of 29,404 and profit 17,996. Here we have compared state, furniture and profit. In this we have highest profit as 9,163 for California and least with Texas as negative of 10,436. Here I have created a dashboard to find which is better among these. And I have created a story on this dashboard. That is, many states have very good profits but also needs some more attention to improve in the states such as Texas, which has lowest profit. Also in category wise, furniture category seems to have lowest profits, whereas office supplies are marginal and technology is doing very well.